Check out that cut line. There is no bleeding at all.
All right, to get really nice lines on a textured surface like this, it's gonna take 3 coats of paint. The first coat of paint, you wanna paint with the color that this thing is. Hopefully you have that color. And if you paint with it, it kind of dries and builds a barrier at the tape in the texture, and then you paint your color on it and it gives you a nice cut line.
Here I'm painting on the white that's actually bleeding underneath the tape a tiny bit, but then when it dries and you paint the blue, it won't bleed under the tape.
So again, I've got the white already painted. It makes that nice barrier so you get a nice cut line. We're gonna paint blue, let it dry, paint another coat, let it dry, peel the tape. And we're gonna have a cool looking backboard finally.
Nothing special here, just painting 2 coats of the Benjamin Moore Ultra Spec paint.
This is the part I've been waiting for. We're gonna peel the tape while the paint's still wet. You gotta be really careful you don't drop it on any of the white parts. But anyways, we're gonna peel the tape a little bit slow. You don't wanna peel the paint off, but let's do it.
Check out that cut line. There is no bleeding at all. Came out really, really good this time.